Hey y'all, Miss Brown here coming at you from the Grand Canyon. Yes, need a little beach break today. Okay, y'all, so this is my 7th grade AVID class in my class recording. So I'm going to do my recording for Wednesday, August 26th. Just remember that if you were in my 7th period, we are a day ahead. So this is for my 4th and 5th period. And then my 7th period is always a day ahead. So just keep that in mind. So I'm going to do my 4th period, but like I said, my 4th and 5th period are the same. So I hope everybody's first week is going good, or technically second week, right? Second week is going good. First week of content is what I meant, because we're actually digging into classes and getting into the thick of it. So just remember, please always reach out. I'm your biggest cheerleader, and I'm here to help you be super successful and get everything done and turned in. So you always come in. I have people asking me if they come in late, like, ooh, look how pretty that looks. People coming in late saying, what are we doing? Where are we? So you always come in and you always go to Canvas and you always go to the module. So this says week 2. Next week it will say week 3. So if you come in late, you come in on time, you go to the module and you get started right where the day of the week is. So Monday, Tuesday, I did that recording yesterday. So we're going to do Wednesday, August 26th. So I like to put the headings to keep things organized. And then you notice anything for that day has the date on it. So Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. And then I try to kind of have it be indented so you know when work goes for that day. And then at the end of the day, I always have like a, yay, you did it. Rock on. You're awesome. So that way you know you're done. So we always start up with a power up slide, which has our planner on it. So that way we can kind of freshen up our planner to make sure we have what our due dates are. And then we always have the prepare, what the essential question is. And then we always have the people, which is what you people should get done at the start of class. So today we're going to do our bio poem. We're going to start it. So your homework is to finish it. Tomorrow, your final draft is due. So on Thursday, you're going to get it to me in class. And then in class tomorrow, we're going to do something with it to kind of revise it, make it even better. And then on Friday, you're going to work about your All About Me homepage on that e-binder. And then Monday, we're going to do a gallery walk of our awesome e-binder homepages. So the essential question is, how can my AVID family get to know me? So we're going to be doing a lot of that this week. And you already should have signed up for your one-to-one conferences. So if you didn't, we should be doing that today, one of my classes, and then the other class we did it yesterday. So the do now for today is go to the homepage and choose either a song request or a team builder. So I'm going to hit back so I can show you my homepage. I'm going to hit back again so I can show you my homepage. Okay, so if you notice on the homepage, I've got a couple buttons. Your WebEx link, you know it, syllabus, we're good. Week 2, you hit it every day. But below, we have virtual team builder ideas. So if you click that, it takes you to a Google form. Y'all give me some ideas. What can we do on Fun Fridays virtually? Look it up, Google it, put some stuff in there. Let's spice it up. And then song requests. I have another playlist. Google form. So if you click on this, it will bring you to a link for a Google form and you can submit some song requests so we can make an awesome playlist. So that's what I want you to do for the opener for today. Let me hop back. So notice how I hit the week 2 button and then I'm scrolling down to Wednesday. And then you always go to the first one. So the first one's always going to be your kind of power up slide. And we just talked about that. The scenery is pretty gorgeous. Okay, so then you always go to the bottom corner and you hit next. So you all would have had 5 minutes to get that done at the start of class. And then this is what we're doing today. We're talking about self-awareness. So I found this really great video of these students talking about what it means to be self-aware. It's about 2 minutes. And then what you're going to do is below, you're going to reply in a discussion post. So as you watch the video, post in the discussion anything you heard that you found interesting, something you liked, something that made you go, something that made you think of something. Put it in the discussion. And then once a couple people pop up, like a couple of them and reply to at least one person. So you go to their post, hit reply. Don't forget, y'all, you can add pictures, you can add websites, you can change the font, you can add a table and make the table colored, kind of like I have here with the orange. So you can spice it up. So watch the quick 2-minute video and then comment in the discussion post and then reply to at least one person. So moving on, so this is our bio poem. Y'all, I'm super excited about this. So as an AVID family, when one of us succeeds academically, we all succeed. So I want to get to know each other. So that way, when one of us is successful, we can like celebrate and be an AVID family and be together and be happy for everybody. So here is a bio poem template. So you need to make a copy of this. So to do that, you go to File, and then you go to Make a Copy. And if you make a copy of it, please at the top, get rid of the word template, and instead of my bio poem, put Gina Brown's bio poem. And then that way you're able to just type right into this and it will be your copy, and then you'll be able to submit it. So that is an awesome, easy way to do that. So here is the bio poem. So what you are going to do is you are going to fill in wherever it's red. So your first name only. So Samantha, Jose, first name only. Then line 2, 4 adjectives to describe you. So remember, adjectives are description words. So hardworking, loyal, funny. So you pick 4 words. Then line 3, you're going to choose one of the lines below. So son of your dad's name, daughter of your mom's name, or you can do brother, sister, nephew, niece if you want to be like niece of your aunt or your uncle, or brother of so-and-so, sister of Kelly, and then your name of relation. So I have an example I can show you. You could talk about where they're from, where they were born, what they do, and like I said, I have an example to show you. And that's only one line. So notice how it says line 3, so that's one line. Now line 4, 5, and 6, so you have to make this into 3 lines. You're going to say lover of or supporter of, and then a couple things, people, or ideas. But you're going to make it 3 lines, like lover of books, can't stop reading, reading every day, something like that. So you have 3. Hey, y'all. Oh, it makes me feel like I'm outside. I like it. Okay, line 7 to 9. Who feels, meaning you, like who feels, and then 3 phrases to describe emotions or feelings. So for example, who feels delighted whenever the bell rings before the teacher assigns homework. And same thing, 7, 8, 9, so you're going to break this into 3 lines. Okay, 10, 11, 12, same thing, a 3-liner. Who fears? So same thing as above, except you're going to tell me something you're afraid of. So who fears watching horror movies in the dark when I'm alone on a cold and rainy night? So like, who fears watching horror movies in the dark when I'm alone on a cold and rainy night? So you can kind of break it up however you want. I just kind of say it out loud, and wherever my natural break is for my breath is where I kind of try to break it. 13, 14, 15, so 3 lines. Who would like to see? And then give me some examples of changes you want in the future, your personal life, your family, your friends. So who would like to see her students speak up and advocate for herself and others, or for themselves and others. So break it into 3 lines. Then line 16 is just a 1-liner. Resident of, you can put your town, you can put the country, you can put planet Earth. So resident of planet Earth, resident of Colleyville, Texas. You know what I mean? And then your last name, Brown, just your last name at the end. So you're going to make a copy of this and then delete all the red, and then you're going to plug in your own info. Next, I have an example of mine. So I will read it to you. So here's an example. So what I did was I put like 2. So the one on the left is like it broken down so y'all can see which lines are what. And then the one on the right is how y'all should look when you take out all the words for line 1, line 2, and mush it together like an actual poem. So I'm going to read the version on the right just because it looks a little bit more streamlined. I need to move my twins' head here. Here we go. Okay, Gina, passionate, energetic, caring, hardworking, daughter of Sharon, an immigrant from Taiwan. Lover of books, ideas that flow like water, and all things science. Who feels the success of her students with every air high five and fist pump. Who fears that the world will never be the same for her family and her students. Who would like to see y'all using your voice in a positive way to advocate for yourself and others. Resident of planet Earth, Brown. So this is your poem, like taking out all the lines and stuff. So you're going to kind of use that template, set it up, and then go back in and kind of delete line 1, line 2, and make it look like an actual poem, which is super awesome. And then we're going to share these out when we do our All About Me page. So you're going to kind of use your bio poem to make your All About Me page on your eBinder. Okay, and I put another link down there, so if you want to make a copy of it for, like if you missed making a copy in the previous one, you can make a copy here. Finished! Wednesday, August 26th. Yes, y'all. So you did it. I always try to kind of remind y'all what you should be passing in. So you're going to pass in tomorrow. We're going to do the revised, amped up version of your poem. And you should have made a copy of your eBinder from yesterday because we're going to be using it on Thursday. So y'all, I hope that was helpful. Like I said, always, I'm your biggest cheerleader. So reach out if you have questions, email, send me a notification or an inbox message on Canvas. Okay, bye, y'all. Love each and every one of you every day. You fill my buckets right to the top, overflowing. Bye, y'all.